Hello there. Today we have a call for an extra service. My client has some reports, some big bugs coming out from the ground. So when you see something like this, you know what's that thing, right? So it's a big wasp. People are afraid when they see them, but they only appears just a few months. These are big wasps, and they grab some bugs that you can hear it during the summer, like making a noise to cicada. So they call that killer, cicada killer wasps, but actually they just kill the bugs, cicada. So maybe she's inside. The only thing, the male will not bite, only the female when they get annoyed. So this part of ecosystem, they only appears 1 month during the summer. Summer is over, so they're gonna die anyway, but somewhere underneath probably she's inside. All right, application, we're gonna put a powder on it. All we're gonna do, just pop this powder inside, just like that. You should have a hole there. All right, she will come out, poor bug, but we have to take care of the client. All right, so this thing, she's the one who keep on digging. And actually, if you really observe them, you know, you can Google it, she will come out and she will fly away here like a whole helicopter, you know. But in this case, probably she's somewhere around. This is the only area that the client reported. That's why, you know, he got scared. But not to worry, we're here to take care of them. So we're gonna pop more powder. You see how deep is that thing? All right, this is a big one, right? Look, let's measure it. All right, let's measure it. See how deep she can go? So somewhere there, if she's there inside, she's gonna be RIP. There's a lot of powder there, so we're gonna seal it right just like that. We put it back again. All right, he's the one who did this thing. Some other client, all of his lawn is all hole on it, so nothing is flying around here because they're gonna be gone in a few more days. All right, extra service completed with pride, with explanation to the client. Hooey, whatever it takes, it's me. Thank you.